Judiciary and Parliament. A balance of power has been provided by our Constitution, and supremacy cannot be claimed by any organ of government because the functioning of each organ is very clear. Parliament plays a supreme role in making laws and amendments in the Constitution. These laws are implemented by executives. While the judiciary is preeminent in settling questions and choosing whether laws have been made as per the standards of Constitution or not. Judiciary has an important role in working for public interests because executives has been insufficient and careless in taking care of public welfare. So, the rights of citizens are protected by using judicial review and judicial activism. Also, areas which are considered beyond the scope of judicial review have now been brought under its attention, and the Supreme Court has also involved itself in administration of justice by giving directions to executive agencies. For example, investigation against politicians and bureaucrats in Narasimha Rao case and Hawala case by CBI were few directions by it. Illegal allotment of petrol pumps cases, etc. Many of these are the result of judicial activism. But judicial review and judicial activism has led to fights between executive and judiciary. Keshav Anand Bharati case is one of the most controversial case over right to property.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.